If you've ever had a trimmer that pulls your hair, dies after a few months, or comes with a bunch of attachments you can never keep track of, you're gonna wanna see this. And there's one thing about how they organize this kit that I wasn't expecting, and I'll show you that in a minute. So let's go over the Philips Norelco Multigroom 5000. I'm gonna go over all the different features, show you a quick demo, and then talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So the Multigroom 5000 is an all-in-one grooming kit from Philips Norelco. It comes with 18 pieces that covers your beard, face, hair, body, nose, ears, so basically everything. And it's a rechargeable lithium-ion trimmer with USB-A charging, and it works both wet and dry. So let's have a look at what you get in the box. Okay, so let's have a look at what you get. All right, so it's nicely organized. And the build quality is really nice. Solid feel to it. It is plastic on the handle. Looks nice. And it just doesn't feel like one of those cheap, hollow plastic trimmers. It's got some weight to it. And the amount that you get in this kit is pretty impressive. So you have the extra wide hair trimmer right here. Have a look at that. Then you have the nose and ear trimmer. And you have this little touch-up trimmer, which is nice. I have an older model of a Philips trimmer, and I use this all the time. Then we have our guards. So these two are, for this one right here is a body guard, 5mm. So this is of course for body grooming. Let's go ahead and dump the rest out. So in the bag, you have even more. So the instruction manual as well. So it's nice that you get a bag because there's just a lot in here. So for, of course you have the USB-A and then the connector that goes on the bottom right here. Okay, so here's everything laid out. Of course, the steel trimmer on top right here, as mentioned, the extra wide hair trimmer right here, the touch-up trimmer, nose and ear, have a little brush. Then we have our adjustable guard, 3 to 7mm. So you can see we can change it right here. So that's really cool. I always love these adjustable ones. See it change. Then we have stubble guards, 1 to 2mm. And then we have some hair guards. So we have a big one here, 9mm. Then a 4mm one. Then we have 2 fading guards, left and right. So you can see by the angle, the shape that they have, you can tell that they're the fading guards. And then 2 more hair guards, a 12 and 16mm one. So pretty big ones. Okay, and the body guards, 5mm and 3mm. And what's cool is these attachments, as you notice, are color-coded. The black ones are for stubble, the regular gray ones are for hair, and the lighter gray ones are for body grooming. So you always know which one to grab, which is really nice. Okay, so let's go over some of the features of this. So the blades on this are titanium-coated steel, and they're self-sharpening. And what that means is they stay sharp over time. You're not gonna notice them getting dull after a few months like cheaper trimmers. And here's one great thing about this, is you don't need blade oil either. So there's basically zero maintenance. You just rinse them off and you're good to go. As mentioned, I have an older model of the Philips Norelco. I never had to sharpen it. There was no issue. Like it worked just fine for years. I never felt like it getting dull. And the same thing with this one. And after using this for a couple weeks, they cut really smoothly. There's no pulling, no snagging, even on thicker hair. And that's a big deal if you ever use, a trimmer that just chews through your hair instead of cutting it cleanly. Okay, and then the battery life of this thing. So it has a 3-hour battery life. It has a lithium-ion battery, and the 3 hours is the runtime on a full charge. So if you're using this for a quick beard trim a few times a week, you can easily go a couple of weeks without charging it. And it also has a battery light indicator, so you know when it's getting low, which is really helpful. It's right here. One thing I noticed is it charges up pretty quickly too, which is a lifesaver if you don't realize it's low right before you need to use it. Just keep that in mind. It charges via USB-A, and a wall adapter is not included. So you'll need to plug it into a USB port or use your own adapter. You can see the length of the cable here. It's also pretty long, which is nice. Some of them are really short. So again, you will need to plug this into a USB-A adapter. Okay, and then one of my favorite things about this kit, it has an adjustable comb that goes from 3 to 7mm. This is the one that gets used the most So instead of swapping between different guard sizes for your beard, you just slide the lever here and it clicks into place at the length that you want. That's always annoying having to swap these out, so you can just get exactly what you want. You know, maybe you want to try a different style, you know, maybe just a little bit longer, and if you find that it's too long, then you can just go a little bit shorter without having to remove the top of this. So it's just easier for dialing in the exact length that you want. I mostly use this trimmer for my beard. One note here is this only works with the standard trimmer head that's on right here and not the wider hair trimmer. Okay, and this trimmer works both wet and dry, which is great. You can use it in the shower if that's your thing, or do a quick dry trim at the sink. Either way, it performs the same. And cleaning is really straightforward. The blades and guards just detach, very simple to add them on. The top here first, and then it'll snap on in. Really simple, just pull it off. And you can just rinse the whole thing underwater. The guards are impact resistant too, so they don't bend, you know, or buckle when you're, you know, pulling them on and, you know, off. It's really simple to maintain, you know, as you saw, really easy to snap on and off. And then the extra wide hair trimmer. So to take off the standard trimmer here, you just pull it out, put it in first with the tab, and push on down. And this one covers a larger area, which makes it way more efficient for body grooming or, you know, doing, you know, quick hair trim. And it comes with those dedicated guards here. There you can see, big one here, 16mm, and the body guards. So these gray ones are what are going to be used for this wider trimmer. And then the body ones that'll be used for the standard trimmer, along with the black ones here. So you've got everything covered here. You know, if you're doing a quick cleanup or trimming larger areas, this wider head makes the whole process, you know, a lot faster. Okay, so let's do a quick demo here. Okay, so I'm gonna trim my beard here, and I'm gonna start with the 7 right here, and then see if that's close enough, and then probably have to go into, you know, 5 or 4 here. So just to show you how you can just really dial it in. Just get a quick look of my goatee, mustache, and the little beard that I have. So right there you can already hear and see it's not taking off that much, so I'll need to make it a little bit smaller. So I'll go ahead and go to 5 right now. There we go. A lot more is coming off now. Okay, so there. It's a good length right now. Could do one smaller, but overall really good. Okay, and now we'll use the little sculptor here. Let's go ahead and take this off. And once you do shave, there's gonna be a lot of hair in here. What you can do is you can take the little tool, the little brush, and just brush that out. Just a lot easier that way. And snap this on. And go ahead and sculpt a little bit here. So we can sculpt on the sides right here. And on the mustache, just a little bit, trim that up. On the side right here as well. So really smooth as well. Next side. And there we go. Nice cleaned up beard. Again, really smooth, sharp. I didn't feel like it was nagging or pulling at my beard at all. See how even everything is? You saw it didn't take that much time either. And again, just being able to dial in the exact setting and adjust it is just excellent. So what do I like about this? The self-sharpening blades are great. No oil, no replacements, just consistent performance. The 3-hour battery life is solid for a trimmer at this level. The adjustable comb is really convenient for beard trimming. The wet dry versatility is nice. And the fact that you get 18 pieces, everything you need in one kit, that's great. You don't have to worry about buying anything else. And this really just gives a great cut. You can also travel with this as well. You can just put this in your toiletry bag and you can fly with it. And personally, I really like using this. It's just an all-around great trimmer because it does exactly what you want it to. Great cut, and it's really versatile. It has all these different guards on them. One thing that I wish could be improved, I wish it came with a charging stand or a base instead of just, a storage bag. When you've got, this many attachments, having a dedicated spot to keep everything organized on your counter would be really nice. And then USB-A cable, not coming with a wall adapter, just a minor thing, but it's worth mentioning. So who should get this? So if you're someone who's been buying separate trimmers for your beard, body, and nose hair, this replaces all of that. One tool, 18 attachments, and you're covered for everything. And it really simplifies your grooming setup. If you're a dad or someone doing quick haircuts and touch-ups at home, this works really well for that. It's lightweight, cuts smoothly, and it's quiet enough that it's not going to bother anyone. And if you travel a lot, this is a great option. It's compact, lightweight, comes with a storage bag as you saw, and it holds a charge well. So you can throw it in your bag and you're good to go. Now, if you're looking for a heavy-duty professional barber clipper, this is not what you want. This is more of an all-in-one daily grooming tool than a high-powered clipper. But for what it is, it does the job really well. So in my opinion, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 5000 is definitely a trimmer worth checking out. You're getting a lot for what you pay for, 18 pieces, solid blade quality, great battery life, and the wet dry versatility. It's one of those products where once you switch to it, you wonder why you didn't do it sooner. If you're looking for a reliable all-in-one grooming kit that handles everything from your beard to your body, this is definitely worth checking out.